Hit the ball.
Hit the ball, bud. Swing and hit it. Oh, pick it up. Put it on there. Good job. Now hit it. Hit it.
Come on.
You can do it.
Big swing.
Good job.
A big wind up there.
Try it again.
Hit the blue ball. Oh.
All right.
Hammer. Hammer chop.
Oh.
Here. Alright, throw it back. There you go.
Almost.
Hit the ball. Good job. Hit it. Both hands on the bat. Come on. Ooh, right in the face.
Oh.
Whoa.
Okay, I think we're going to be done now.
Bracken. Bracken. Here. Clunk. All right, Bracken, stand back. Oh, put the blue ball up there. Nice. All right. Hit the ball, Jack. Hit the ball. Hit the ball.
Go hit it. Almost. Yeah.